Ever wondered what blockchain is? Imagine a digital ledger that records transactions across many computers. This makes it secure and transparent. Think of it like a Google Doc that everyone can see and verify, but no one can change without everyone else knowing. Now, how does this relate to cryptocurrency? Cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin use blockchain technology to ensure each transaction is secure and verified. When you send Bitcoin to someone, the transaction is recorded on the blockchain, making it nearly impossible to alter or counterfeit. For instance, imagine sending money to a friend overseas without needing a bank. With blockchain, you can transfer funds directly, quickly, and securely, avoiding high fees and long processing times. Blockchain also provides transparency in the food supply chain. For example, companies like Walmart use blockchain to track the journey of food from farm to store. This ensures the authenticity and safety of the food you buy, as every step is recorded and can be verified by anyone. That's blockchain in a nutshell. It's revolutionizing how we trust and verify information, not just in finance, but in many aspects of our lives. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more informative videos.